Good morning. I am Professor Rajendra Prasad, Director Medical Education, ERAS Lucknow Medical College, Lucknow, and Professor and Head Pulmonary Medicine. I have been former Director Vallabhbhai Patel Chest Institute, Delhi, and former Professor and Head Department of Pulmonary Medicine, King George's Medical University, Lucknow. After a long gap, now you have seen the second wave of COVID is going down and down. And today it is the first week of October 2021. In India, we have around 20,000 cases per day and about 300 deaths per day. And October, November, and December, these 3 months are the festival months in India. We are talking about the third wave from last so many months, but we are lucky that third wave has still not come. So what we pray God that it should not come. But it is very clear what we have seen in first and second wave, especially the second peak of the second wave in last April, May, June. Third wave, if you want to prevent, what we have to follow the COVID rules strictly. You know, today everything we have practically opened everything in India. Schools are open, offices are open, markets are open. So hardly there is a very little restriction. Now the time has come. If we really want to prevent the third wave, we have to be very disciplined. Discipline should come from ourselves, especially in the season when lot of festivals in India is going to come. As I said, October, November, December, these are the festival months in India. So what we have to follow, you have to follow the rules, what you know already, that whenever you go in crowd, whenever you go to attend the office or anywhere, try to have a mask, try to wash your hands. So what I'm trying to say that don't be complacent, because if we can prevent in these 3 months, then probably our battle will be won. And COVID, we may see the end of COVID by end of 2021. That will be our good luck and good fortune of the country, that if the third wave doesn't come. For that, what I request every one of us to follow rules, you know very clearly, to follow those rules which can prevent. Because you know, COVID is a virus. Virus, if you give opportunity, still it has not gone completely from our society. It is there with us. And if you take liberty, then virus may spread and third wave may come. So my suggestion and my request with the folded hand to each one of Indians, please follow the rules of COVID protection strictly, at least for next 2 months. Thank you very much.